Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna get into this gorgeous wig. I feel like Beyonce right now because of this color, but I love it. This is a 4x30 curly hair that I got from Amazon. Literally got it in 2 days, and I did not do anything to this hair. All I did was pluck the middle, and then I just put a mascara on top, and literally that was it. So if you guys love this look, continue watching. So this is how it looks straight out of the package. So here's the inside of the wig and also the curl pattern straight out of the packaging. I'm just going to use my MAC NW45 powder and just powder inside, and we're just going to go right in and apply the wig. Now don't come for me, I had to use these big scissors because I couldn't find my shears at first, but eventually I found it. So y'all don't say nothing about these shears, okay? So we're going to use my Even Extra Hold Wonder Lace Spray, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of it and then use my T3 blow dryer on cool settings and make sure it gets tacky, and then add hair. For me, it's a lot easier doing it by sections. So you're going to see me do the front and then the 2 sides section by section. It just lays better for me. It just adheres. It's not a lot of lifting. So I'm just going to spray and then use my cool settings. Use the back of my comb, the tail of the comb, and then kind of push it through so everything's adhered perfectly. At this moment, I forgot to cut my ear tabs first. Normally, that's what you want to do. You want to cut the ear tabs first before you start adhering the wig. But I just realized I forgot to do it, so that's what I'm doing right here. So I found my shears, guys. So of course you want to go in a zigzag motion, and it's better not to have makeup on when you're doing your wigs, because as you can see but yeah, I'm just doing it very slowly and taking my time and going in little zigzag jagged motions so the wig looks as natural as possible. So here I'm using my Gots to Be spray and also my Even spray to kind of push in and make sure that it lays as good as possible. So now I'm parting the hair. I love how deep this part is, and the hair is super soft. Like, this was a gorgeous unit. Like, I'll be sleeping on Amazon with hair, but this was a nice unit. I will be wearing this very often this summer. So now I'm going to use my Carrot Care wax stick, and we're just going to hot comb and make sure it's flat as possible. Guys, my camera died, so now I'm just going to use my NW45 powder, and then I'm going to use my glossing polish to put throughout my hair just to make it shiny and give some moisture. So here I just wanted to make it look like my root was growing a little black, like new growth, because I didn't really like just the brown. I wanted to look as natural as possible. So I'm using my black mascara from Morphe and just tapping in the root of the hair to make it darker. I did not have a root touch up at the time, so I just opted just to use this mascara and just kind of tap in the root. And then I'm going to comb it through to blend it in and also hot comb it so it looks as natural as possible, so you don't really see the color. It just looks blended. See, I'm just taking the comb and just brushing through it. So it's also defining the part as well. So now I'm just going to do two baby hairs. I'm going to use the Gorilla Gel, and then also I'm going to use mousse, my Cream of Nature mousse, to lay down the two baby hairs. So y'all probably wondering, like, what is she doing? So instead of using the little baby brush that people use or a toothbrush, I like using a spoolie. I feel like the spoolie doesn't pick up as much product, and the spoolie kind of lays the hair perfectly for me, if you guys are wondering what I'm doing with that. So now I'm using my Cream of Nature mousse, and I'm just going to define the curls. I'm going to comb it through and define the curls in the hair. And there you go. To finish everything off, I'm going to use Beyond the Zone heat spray, but it gives a nice sheen to the hair, so I'm just lightly spritzing that throughout the whole hair. And there you go. Like, this was an easy, quick install. I hope you guys like it. And if you guys like this, watch my other videos, hit a like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.